Praise belongs to God, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. And everlasting peace be upon Muhammad and his noble and pure progeny. Reverend Mr. Chief Guest, profound judges, Honorable Mr. President, dear academicians and my enthusiastic Paragonians, hello and good evening in today's competition of debate, where the notion is individual does not matter, and I prudently disagree with the title. Excellency, sir, Almighty Allah has created man of the best stature. He has created man as the best and most perfect creature that excels all beings and creatures on the earth. He has endowed man great attributes and power, if transmuted or harnessed, can lead him to pinnacle of supremacy and perfection. He has created every individual with distinguishing features, unique fingerprints, unique vocal tracks, and in the same way, every individual is born with unique personality, learning styles, vision, abilities, and opinions. Man was not created haphazardly. Within every individual lie the sun, the moon, the stars, and the whole wonders of this universe, as Imam Ali alayhi salam has uttered that. You think you are a small entity, but within you is enfolded the entire universe. Learned panel of jury, we live in a world where people tend to be orthodox, and every individual with unique and different visions is often underestimated, ridiculed, and scoffed. It is essential that we value every individual. Every person is special, and every individual's lives and existence deserve to be respected and cared. What is the problem with being different or thinking in a different way? Being different for the right reason is a wise way to live. In this contemporary world, people usually disparage the power of an individual. They believe a person alone cannot bring change in their society. It is an irrefutable fact that the unorthodox people with different and unique visions were most enlightened and effective individuals. The boy who was declared adult and mentally ill by his teacher was Thomas Edison, who eventually became the greatest inventor of the 19th century. The child whose talent appeared below average and was considered lazy and insane by his teacher for asking stupid questions was Albert Einstein, who developed the theory of relativity. History is enriched with these iconic individuals whose lives and existence were considered nugatory, but they changed the world and created history. Ladies and gentlemen, the world we live in, each and every day we are inundated with alarming threats of how it is being turned into a hell. All manners of atrocities are flung at us from all the directions. There are war, pollution, scarcity, poverty, etc. There are 7 billion people living on the earth, and each of them is with the same thought. I, as individual, I cannot do anything. I am a single person. I cannot make any difference. The fact is that none of us wants to take the responsibility. Sometimes I really hate being human. I think like I'm a constant walking hypocrite. I'm a sanctimonious person who pretends to be good, but I have turned blind eyes towards all the atrocities in the world. I think more what to have in a meal during a day rather than thinking about those deprived and ravenous urchins who go to bed without eating anything. I weep for those who are being subjected to persecution, but don't raise and speak out against those who are malicious and hostile. I see upheavals in the climate, but don't make a minuscule effort to protect it. I'm embarrassed. I cannot do anything because I'm alone. I want to close my eyes and assume everything is solved, but no matter how long I keep my eyes closed, it will not make any difference. I want to fly and get out of this earth, but alas, gravity keeps me put. I cannot do anything because I am a single person. We usually think in the same way. We often put too much focus on the group, but not enough on individual. Yes, I believe an individual has the power to change by making small amendments and encouraging others to do the same. A snowball effect occurs that can affect the entire planet at a time. As once Mother Teresa said, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Zealous guests, I would like to conclude with a point that every individual matters. Every individual is unique. Every individual makes the difference. We have had people who individually changed and made a colossal difference in the history. The manifest examples are Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who intrinsically represented the Islam and guided the naive Arabs. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, who rose against the tyranny and proved that victory always belongs to the right. Nelson Mandela, who fought against the apartheid and eventually ended. Martin Luther King Jr., who started campaign against the segregation of black. They were those who did not depend upon the power of group, rather believed we as individuals can change and be the cause of change. Thank you very much.